Determine the corner location and height to install the shelf. Remove the existing sheet metal screws from the corners and along the panel lap. Install the shelf at an angle, so that the left side panel end fits onto the panel first, then the right side. Reinstall the sheet metal screws that were removed. Fit the shelf bracket into the shelf. From the underside of the shelf, fasten one hex head self-drilling screw through the shelf and into the shelf bracket. Fasten one self-drilling screw through the shelf bracket and into the panel. Repeat shelf bracket installation on opposite end.